In this video, I will help you find the best long-range drones in 2023. Links to all the products we mentioned in this video will be listed in the description. Let's get started. Number 5. DJI Air 3. The DJI Air 3 is a marvel in the world of drones. Released on July 25, 2023, this drone boasts an impressive maximum stated flight range of 20 kilometers. The Air 3 is not just about distance, it's about maintaining a stable connection even at those distances. This drone is equipped with the O4 HD video transmission system, which ensures a stable signal strength over increased distances compared to other drones. During field testing, the Air 3 consistently delivered on its promises. In open country flights, the drone could be flown several miles away before any noticeable lag or disruption in the HD video feed. This is a testament to the robustness of the O4 transmission system. Beyond just range, the Air 3 offers a flight time of up to 46 minutes per charge, allowing users to cover more ground. The dual camera setup on the Air 3 is another standout feature, with wide and 3x telephoto lenses. Users can capture 48 megapixel stills and 4K 60 FPS video from afar. This dual perspective offers a wealth of creative possibilities for aerial photography. The Air 3 strikes a balance between affordability and premium features, making it the top choice for those seeking a long-range drone that doesn't compromise on quality. Number 4. Autel Evo Pro 2 V3. The Autel Evo 2 Pro is a game-changer in the drone industry. With a stated maximum transmission range of 9 km under ideal conditions, this drone is designed for those who demand more from their aerial devices. During real-world testing, the Evo 2 Pro consistently achieved around 4,000 meters before any noticeable weakening of the HD video signal. Pushing it further, the drone managed to exceed 5,000 meters in distance. One of the standout features of the Evo 2 Pro is its dual-band transmission system. This system intelligently switches between frequencies to maintain the strongest possible connection, ensuring stable video feeds even at long distances. The upgraded V3 model of this drone boasts an enhanced range of up to 9.3 miles, making it one of the top contenders in the long-range drone market. Number 3. Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is a testament to how far drone technology have come. In testing, this drone surpassed expected range limits, reaching over 4 miles away before needing to turn around. The advanced OcuSync 3.0 transmission system enables a remarkable max range of over 15 kilometers or 9.3 miles. This drone is not just about distance, it's about maintaining a clear and stable video feed even at those extreme distances. The Mavic 3 Pro is equipped with a 45 minutes flight time, allowing users to push the drone to its limits in a single flight. The stability and video transmission capabilities of this drone are unparalleled, making it a top choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Number 2. DJI Air 2S. The DJI Air 2S is a remarkable compact drone that defies limitations when it comes to range. Packed with cutting-edge technology, it boasts an impressive maximum transmission range of 12 kilometers, equivalent to approximately 7.5 miles. This incredible range opens up a world of possibilities for aerial exploration, making it the perfect companion for adventurers and photographers seeking to capture breathtaking vistas from a unique vantage point. One of the standout features of the Air 2S is its utilization of the OcuSync 3.0 transmission system. This advanced technology ensures consistently stable high-definition video feed even when operating the drone at the outer limits of its impressive range. The result is crystal clear footage and real-time visuals, allowing users to experience the world from above with unparalleled clarity. In rigorous testing scenarios, the Air 2S demonstrated its resilience and reliability by maintaining a clear video feed up to an astonishing distance of approximately 1,600 meters, which is equivalent to roughly 1 mile. Beyond this point, while the signal did show signs of deterioration, the drone's performance remained admirable, extending its range to over 2,000 meters. This remarkable achievement highlights DJI's unwavering commitment to pushing the boundaries of drone technology, providing enthusiasts and professionals alike with the tools they need to capture the extraordinary and expand their horizons. In conclusion, the DJI Air 2S is more than just a drone. It is a testament to the relentless pursuit of innovation and excellence within the world of unmanned aerial vehicles. With its exceptional range and advanced transmission system, it empowers users to embark on captivating aerial journeys and then create stunning visual content that was once only a dream. Number 1. DJI Mini 3 Pro. The DJI Mini 3 Pro, despite its diminutive size, emerges as a formidable force in the realm of drones, wielding impressive capabilities, especially in the domain of range. Making its debut in the drone market in May 2022, this remarkable aircraft ushered in a host of cutting-edge features that set it apart. Among these notable enhancements are obstacle avoidance sensors that enhance safety during flight and a substantially upgraded 48-megapixel camera that captures breathtaking aerial imagery. Nevertheless, it was the introduction of the OcuSync 3.0 technology that garnered the most fervent anticipation. During rigorous testing, the Mini 3 Pro astounded enthusiasts and professionals alike by pushing the boundaries of transmission range, comfortably surpassing the 6,000-foot mark, equivalent to approximately 2,000 meters. What truly distinguishes this feat is the drone's ability to sustain a crystal-clear video feed and impeccably responsive controls even at these extensive distances. In essence, the Mini 3 Pro proves to be the ideal choice for those seeking a drone that effortlessly balances compactness with a no-compromise approach to range and quality. Whether you're an aerial photography enthusiast, a content creator, or simply a drone aficionado, this small yet mighty drone promises an exhilarating experience that leaves no room for compromise. Alright guys, this was the video for today. Don't forget to like it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if there was useful information on this video, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out.